Up front here you do have access into a drying room, which is LED lights which come on when you step inside. So for drying your cloaks or wet gear out, it does feature a heater in here as well, so it should be nice and warm and dry stuff out while you're inside. You have a storage unit here for extra storage. Access point for filling the water tanks. It has got a twin axle, so very, very nice for pulling. Around to the rear of it then, does feature all your road legal lights, and on every corner of the vehicle it does have retractable legs, so just put one down here to demonstrate. Has got a step that is foldable, and it has a lock and keypad on the back door. Inside, as you walk in, all the LED lights turn on, so they're all low power LED units, so nice and easy for when you're on site. Does have a power point with USB, enough seating for 8 people, and the benches do lift up with, again, more additional storage points. Does feature a full wash hand basin with all your essentials. You have got a kettle along with a microwave, and you have storage inside here for wastewater. Of course, you have got all your safety needs, so you have got a built-in fire extinguisher along with a first aid kit and an eye wash kit, and of course it does have a heating supply, so this little radiator, electric radiator. Power is supplied, can be supplied off site, so I'll demonstrate that to you now. So you have got full power point here that can be powered by preferably an external generator.